Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing a phone unboxing lot. This one was on eBay. I don't remember the price, so I'll put it in the description below. And then also after this one, I have another unboxing that cost me a little bit more, but it's got a lot better phones in there. So we're going to go and do the back side because my address is still on the other side. And I don't feel like grabbing the Sharpie and coloring it out, so let's open it upside down. Yeah, that's my note on you guys. Sorry about that. So there's an empty box. Let me see if I can turn my note on and I'll show you the listing for this one. There's a couple phones that I really wanted out of it. So let me go over here. Because I know it's going to be I know someone's going to ask how much I paid for it. Let me see. I know, guys, I'm sorry about this. Taking forever. I'm working on it. Let me see. I found it right here. It was $37.50 with free shipping. There's the phone. Let me get back and get my address out of there. There you go, $37.50. 10 phones. Here we have the LG Ravine. I already have one of these, but this one's in way better shape than mine, so hopefully it works. If not, we'll swap the board and make it work. Got some Ziploc bags here, which always comes in handy because I'm needing one for the razor. So here we got a Casio Boulder, it looks like. Yep, the Boulder. Here we have a track phone. It's an LG. I don't know how the back comes off. Oh, it slides down. Okay. Does have a battery. It is a LG 800. It does have the SIM card in there, so that means it should actually work possibly. Here's a weird looking one. Alcatel One Touch. Let's see. It does have a battery. It is the 2017B. So I'm gonna pop that back, and then we'll go to look at this one. This is a Samsung. This one doesn't feel like it has a battery. Oh, it does. Samsung T105G. It does have a SIM card, and it is a track phone, so that's cool. Let me grab this one. We'll start opening it. Alrighty, guys. So the real reason I bought this lot was for one phone in particular. It's a BlackBerry Priv. It's got a cracked screen, but we're gonna order a screen for it and try to fix it. Here's an Autel R800. Also has a battery, which I already have two of these, but the one I have is in really rough shape. And this one looks to be in really good shape, so if it works and the LCD is good, we'll probably just drop test my other one. Here's an LG Envy Touch, which is obviously a drop test subject. As you can see, there's something wrong with the plastic here, but hopefully the inner LCD is good because I do need that for my other LG Envy Touch. So we'll go ahead and have to do a test on all these. It looks like everybody took the micro SD cards out of it already. Look, it turns on. We'll let it boot up there in the background. Here we have a Galaxy S4 with a missing back. It's a US Cellular, I think it was. It's LG. It doesn't have a back. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, LCD's good though. That's a good parts phone. This one doesn't look like it has any power. It's probably just dead. Charging port looks good. It doesn't have a back cover. No micro SD card. And then this is the one I've been wanting. Here's a Microsoft. Let's see what it is. Feels really nice. It's Cricket, sadly. Let's see if I can pull the back off of it. Let's see, it is a RM1150. It feels really nice, actually. Very thin feeling. I don't think Microsoft even operates anymore, though. It did vibrate. It looks like maybe the... Oh, yeah, right there on the top. So I can get my camera to focus. There's a crack right on the OLED panel. Let me turn my flashlight on. Maybe that would help. Wipe the screen down, too. Let me wipe my camera lens off. Try to get a really good look at it. Alrighty. And there you go. You can definitely see that crack right there. Right in the OLED panel. Because the glass isn't cracked, just the LED panel. Which means that it needs a new screen. Which means it's probably going to be a drop test subject. And then we'll probably rebuild it. But it did come with case too, so. And then here is the phone that I want. Is the BlackBerry Priv. Like I said, it does have a cracked screen, which we can order a screen for it. As you can tell, shattered pretty badly. It is with Verizon. She's pretty rough, but let's see, is that the power button? I'm not sure which one the power key is on this. But I'm guessing it's the LED panel, so I'm guessing it's probably cracked. But we'll order a screen for it, and we will do a restoration on it. So here's all the phones from this unboxing. Just slide all these down. We'll go ahead and do an update video on this sometime too. So let me go ahead and turn this video off, and we'll start on the other unboxing, which is going to be a lot bigger than this one, and it costs a little bit more money as well. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.